crazy,
Yo,
dude.
What up, vlog? Yo.
Pick it out.
Yo, Brent is crazy.
Yeah, dude, he's been doing it the whole time.
Wait, he keeps doing it?
Yeah, he keeps doing it. Yo, get mine for the vlog.
So, I'm Type R Carter, and this is my car.
I told
Formerly Captain TE, but we'll
We're gonna get kicked out before we eat.
Brett, how much do you do that? Jesus Christ, dude.
All day, dude. All day.
This parking spot fucks me up.
Yeah, because we followed this line here.
So look, I'm straight with this.
Do it again.
No, don't. He did it in reverse earlier to Miles' muffler. Dude, look at all the people looking at us. Yeah, yo, Jim does it all the time. That's all he does. I love it.
Let me hear it.
Holy shit.
Woo! Yeah, that's a good one. Didn't feel good.
Do it again.
Damn.
Dude, that was awesome. It's Chad driving the NSX.
I know. Ow! Jesus Christ!
You guys doing it in reverse.
All right, we're gonna get kicked out.
Yo, this drive's like insane. Alright, I'm done being a picture.
And we've been here for like, Brent and I have been here for like 10 minutes. He's been doing that the whole time.
They're really?
I'm going now.
Oh my god, dude. The NSX wheels drive insane.
Really?
It feels so good.
Is that a 9 mil?
Easy.
Stock me in my own car.
Dude, she's dancing in there.
I should have sold her.
Yeah, I
I bought it back just for the, I don't know.
Damn.
Why did I buy her back? Copyright.
Oh, turn it off. What up,
So I just started recording for my own channel. Tag me in the description. But my phone's out of storage, and I'm too poor for a GoPro yet. So
Hell yeah, bro.
please subscribe so I can buy a GoPro. You know, Chad out here working on his car, you know how it is. Pretty rough.
It's a grind every day.
First I do NSX wheels. Oh, this is the first time the vlog's seen my car, right? No, wait.
It's a running joke now.
Yeah, because like you always see me in the Audi or the white Type R. This is like actually mine.
Is it?
So give us the details. What year, make, model?
2018 base model Civic on Wedsports, RN55M, 265, you know. Except they have Parkinson's right now because they shake like a mother.
Oh, a little deadlift,
I didn't know we had a fitness channel.
Damn.
Get a man that has dirty hands. If your man's hands aren't dirty, you're doing it wrong.
Your man's hands.
Nello Tire, if you're watching this, you do good work, but you can't balance them.
To be fair, these weren't road forced.
Were they?
They weren't.
Oh, we said no.
Remember, you said no
Oh,
because
yeah.
it was gonna take too long.
Because they wanted to take like 4 hours to road force them. Like, what are you damn, I got the Ralph Lauren dirty. My dad's gonna be pissed.
Dude.
Yeah, check out my exhaust. 2 muffler deletes on each side. This is good work. This one's actually good work. It's good welds, good pipe. When you get to the middle where they cut the resonators, there's a different shop and they did really work. Actually, this isn't bad. This is actually pretty good. And that one's stainless and that's pretty good. Actually, my car is not that bad.
It's not. I don't see any leaks.
Yeah, actually, it's not that bad. Never mind. A character in the vlog, the DE, just shaved his head, so... Jesus Christ, dude.
Damn.
Damn, I didn't know NASCAR was in town
Holy
this weekend.
shit. How fast can you go around there, bud?
Go around.
Oh.
Put him in the Daytona 500.
Damn. Dale's gonna be proud, dude. Oh, we just lost the spot. Damn. You just lost the place to Casey Kane.
Why is your car?
Wait, is this the first time they saw your car?
Yeah, this is the first time the vlog seen my black one. They saw me with the white one. I'm an NSX wheels mechanic. This is my